Yo, what's up again, YouTube? Welcome to the second and last part of the how to sew a bomber jacket tutorial, where I show you step by step what exactly to do. I actually also have another tutorial where I show you how to draft this pattern. But anyway, watch till the end and comment which color combination you'd want to DIY yourself. Anyway, without talking any further, let's get into it. So as you align these notches, you'll notice that the right side of the jacket shell material is facing the right side of your lining material, and the ribbing is facing down in towards the jacket. So you're just gonna sandwich the ribbing, and you are now going to sew along this edge at 1/2 inch seam allowance, remembering that when you sewed the ribbing to the shell material, you were sewing at 1/4 inch, and this is so we can hide that first stitch. So now we're basically sewing the bottom of the outside garment to the bottom of the lining garment, and we're just gonna make sure that the ribbing stays inside, like into the jacket, and you are going to sew to the right side of your stitch, and you're basically gonna just like stretch your material as much as it can, just so the ribbing can end up being the same size, I guess you could say, as the fabric, and then you're just gonna sew so that all around the bottom. You don't have to get too close to the actual edges, like to the zip parts. You're just gonna make sure that both the seams of your jacket and lining are aligning, and follow what I do exactly. So first you're gonna align the seams, then you're gonna fold them towards each other so that the right sides are facing. Then you want to hold them together from under and kind of pull them so that you can now sew them together all around. Okay, now watch me do it again, and follow carefully. And what's basically important here is that the seams are aligning and that your sleeve opens are right sides facing. And then you're gonna sew at 1/2 inch, remembering that when you sew the ribbing to the material, you sew at 1/4 inch. So this is so that you can hide that first stitch. notice that your 1/2 inch seam allowance is kind of automatically making a fold. So you're just gonna like fold your material so that it follows along your seam allowance, and then you're gonna sew as close as you can to the edge, you know. Then my camera died, but the last step that you're gonna do is top stitch all around, like where the zip is and around the neck, this little rectangle by over here, and you're basically done. Thanks for making it till the end of this video. Drop a like if you found this video helpful, and go check out the other tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.